Yes, please, but
Yes, Milord. May kindly see my Lord last order sheet, Milord.
yes.
22/8/20.
22/8/20.
Yes.
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 Yes, Milord.
Yes. Now you argue on admission.
Yes, Milord. Milord, in this case, Milord, I have challenged the order issued by the respondent number 1,
Ji.
Registrar General of this Honorable High Court,
Yes.
without mentioning the provision of the Constitution or any other law,
Ji.
under which provision he is empowered to issue such type of direction, Milord,
Ji.
on dated 21/12/2022, 5 जनवरी 2023 और 19/1/2023 and excerpt P1, Milord.
P1.
You kindly see at page number 18.
Page number 18.
Yes, Milord.
Ji.
And excerpt P1, Milord.
Please.
May I read this?
Please.
And the subject, disposal of the oldest 25 case in the each court.
Ji.
As directed, following direction are issued in addition to the earlier direction issued in respect of the subject cited above. The cases which have not been disposed of out of 25 oldest case in particular round will be carried forward to the next round of exercise and will be added to the target of 25 oldest case for next round. The concerned judge will be required to achieve the target thus increased by the end of stipulated time period for the next round. और इन्होंने एग्जाम्पल देके इसको डेमोन्स्ट्रेट किया है.
बताइएगा.
If the judge has been able to dispose of 25 out of total of 25 targeted cases in previous round of exercise and 10 cases remain undisposed, the target in the current round will be increased by 10 accordingly. Target for the next round will be 25 targeted case for the current round plus 10 undisposed of case of previous round equal to 35 cases.
जी
And similar direction is also issued on 19th of January 23, page number 20 below.
जी
The query regarding scheme of disposal of old age 25 cases
आप
registered.
पढ़ रहे हैं आप प्लीज
ये पेज नंबर 20 सर.
20
हाँ, ये 19 जनवरी का लेटर है.
हाँ you're reading which paragraph
Similar starting from first paragraph.
First
A
paragraph.
meeting.
हाँ जी जी
A meeting of Registrar General with all the principal district and session judges and principal judges, family court in the state of Madhya Pradesh, was convened on 7/1/23 at 4 p.m. through video conferencing, in which certain queries were raised with regard to the scheme of disposal of old age 25 cases. Hence, as directed, following clarification instructions are being issued. List of 25 cases for each quarter be prepared and a consolidated list of 100 cases be sent to registry. B. Undisposed case out of oldest 25 case by the end of year 2022 be carried forwarded to the first quarter of the year 23, which is an addition to 25 oldest case of first quarter 2023, where a judge holding a link court for any period. The list of 25 oldest case be prepared from the pending case of the regular link court proportionally in accordance with the number of working day of link regular court. Cases under section 25 CRPC for maintenance, excluding case under section 25 subsection 3 CRPC for recovery of the maintenance and land acquisition reference case be also included in the list of 25 cases. The cases in which the proceeding are stayed by the Honorable Court or Honorable Supreme Court, Honorable High Court or Honorable Supreme Court, such cases be excluded from the list of oldest 25 case and separate list of the state matter be prepared. You are therefore requested to bring the aforesaid direction into the knowledge of all judges working in your district and to take necessary action accordingly. And
Yes.
page number 22, Miller, this direction is also issued on 5 January 23.
just a minute जी
इसमें पूरा फॉर्मेट उन्होंने इंक्रोच किया है.
जी so we are basically challenges to direct the district judiciary to
Yes.
dispose of 25 cases
Case.
in terms of the scheme ठीक है ना तो इस चार्ट से तो कुछ लेना देना नहीं है पेज
Yes,
22
yes,
is not
yes, yes, yes.
not very relevant
But my only contention is that Miller such type direction cannot issue any authority
बताइए
within the country except the legislature. Legislature is not prescribe any time limit for deciding any particular case. The Supreme Court or any
except
High
the-
Court.
Nobody can prescribe time limit. जी
Yes,
yes
Millard, this direction issued by Registrar Millard, it is contrary to the Article 21.
just a minute आर्टिकल 21 बताइए कैसे
Constitution of India.
जी
Millard, I am relying the judgment issued by Honorable High Court on P3,
C3
Supreme Court, sorry.
जी पढ़िए
Millard, this is 7 judges bench judgment, Millard.
जी
The reported in 2002 4 SCC 578 million. Page number 25, I am enclosed in this petition.
जी
I am enclosed.
पढ़िएगा इसको
पेज नंबर 27 मिनट
जी
इसमें पर मेजोरिटी का जो इसमें वो है
जी जी
जी द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल फिलॉसफी propounded as a right to speedy trial has through grow in age of almost 2.5 decades. The goals are to be achieved in yet a far off peak. Myriad fact situations being testimony of denial of such fundamental right to the accused person on account of failure on the part of prosecuting agency and the executive of act, and they are running in almost
रनिंग नहीं टर्निंग
terming an almost blind eye of securing the expeditious and speedy trial so as to satisfy the mandate of Article 21 of the Constitution, have perused the Supreme Court in devising solution by infringing a bar of limitation beyond which the criminal proceedings or trial shall not proceed. Throughout the bar of limitation judicially engrafted in meant of the provide solution, but the solution of this nature given rise to greater problems linked like securing a trial without adjudication, stultifying access to the justice and given easy exit from the portals of justice. Such general remedials measure cannot be said to be of solution. Therefore, it must be left to the judicious discrimination of the court seized of an individual case to find out from the totality of circumstances of the given case if the quantum of time consumed up to given point of time amounted to violation of Article 21, and if so, then to terminate the particular proceeding, and if not pending for such a length of time that the inordinate delay can legitimately be called appreciable the unwarranted as suggested in A.R. Antule 1992 1 SCC 225 and very much relevant para sir
जी
page number 49 or para 28. The other reason why the war of limitation enact sir page number 49
yes
para 28. The other reason why the war of limitation enacted in common cause 3, common cause 2 and Rajdev Sharma 3 judgment
जी
इसमें रेफर है the Rajdev Sharma second cannot be sustained is that the decision through 2 or 3 judges bench decision run country counter to that extent to the dictum of the Constitution bench in A.R. Antule case and therefore cannot be said to be good, good law to the extent they are in breach of doctrine of precedent. The well-settled principle of precedent which has crystallized into a rule of law. In this bench of lesser strength is bounded by the view expressed by the bench of larger strength and cannot take a view in departure or in conflict therefrom. We have in the earlier part of this judgment extracted and produced passage from A.R. Antule case. The Constitution bench turned down the fervent plea of proponents of right to speedy trial for laying down time limits as bar beyond which the criminal proceeding or trial shall not proceed, and expeditiously ruled that it was neither advisable nor practicable and hence not judicially feasible for fix any time limit for trial of offences. Having placed on record the exposition of law as to right to speedy trial following from Article 21 of the Constitution, this court held that it was necessary to leave the rule as elstic and not to fix it in frame of defined, definite and rigid rules. The must be left to be judicious discretion of court seized of an individual case to find out from the totality of circumstances of given case if the quantum of time consumed up to the given point of time amounted to violation of Article 21, and if so, then to terminate the particular proceeding, and if not, then to proceed achieve ahead. Sorry. The test of whether the proceeding or trial has remained remain pending for such a length of time that the inordinate delay can legitimately be called oppressive and unwarranted, as suggested in A.R. Antole in Kartar Singh case. The Constitution bench, which recognizing the principle that the denial of an accused right of speedy trial may result in decision to dismiss the indictment or in reversing of the conviction when to in the state. Para 92 is note down, Millard. Of course, no length of time to proceed too long to pass scrutiny under this principle, nor the accused is called upon to show the actual prejudice by delay of disposal of the case. On the other hand, the court has to adopt the balancing approach by taking note of the possible prejudices and disadvantages to the suffered by the accused by avoidable delay, and to determine whether the accused in the criminal proceeding has been deprived of its right having speedy trial with unreasonable delay, which could be identified by the fact, length of delay, the justification of the delay, the accused assertion of his right to the speedy trial, and prejudice caused to the accused by such delay. For all the foregoing reason, we are of the opinion that the common cause case 1 as modified in common cause 2 and Rajdev Sharma 1 and 2, the court could not have prescribed period of limitation beyond which the trial of the criminal case or criminal proceeding cannot continue and must mandatorily be closed, followed by an order acquitting or discharging the accused. In conclusion, we hold the dictum of your Antolic case is correct and still hold the field. Number two, the propositions emerging from Article 21 of the Constitution and expounding the right to speedy trial laid down as guideline in A.R. Antole case adequately take care of right to speedy trial. We uphold and affirm these said propositions. 3. The guidelines laid down in A.R. Antole case are not exhaustive but only illustrative. They are not intended to operate as hard and fast rule or to be applied like a straitjacket formulas. Their applicability would depend on the fact situation of each case. It is difficult to foresee all situations and no generalization can be made. It is neither advisable nor feasible nor judicially permissible to draw or prescribe an outer limit for conclusion of all criminal proceedings. The time limit or bar of limitation prescribed in the several directions made in Common Cause 1 and Rajdev Sharma 1 and Rajdev Sharma 2 could not have been so prescribed or drawn and or not good law. The criminal courts are not obliged to terminate trial or criminal proceeding merely on the account of lapse of time and prescribed by the directions made in Common Cause 1, Rajdev Sharma 1 and 2. At the most, the period of time prescribed in those decisions can be taken by the court, siege of the trial or proceeding to act as remind, reminders when they may be presumed to apply their judicial mind to the fact and circumstances of the case before them and determine by taking into consideration the several relevant factors as pointed out in the Antole case and decided whether the trial or proceeding have become so inordinately delayed and to be called appropriative and unwarranted. Such time limit cannot and will not be themselves be treated by any court as bar to further continues to the trial or proceeding and mandatory obliging the court to terminate the same and acute the discharge the accused. The criminal courts should exercise their available power, such as those under section 309, 311 and 258 of the Code of Criminal Procedure to effectuate the right to speedy trial. A watchful and diligent trial judge can prove to be better protector of such right than any guidelines. In appropriate case, jurisdiction of the High Court under Section 482 CRPC and Article 226 and 227 of the Constitution can be invoked seeking appropriate relief or suitable directions. This is an appropriate occasion to remind the Union of India and the state government of their constitutional obligations to strength, strengthen the judiciary quantitatively and quantability by providing requisite funds, manpower, and infrastructure. We hope and trust that the government shall act. We answer the question posed in the order of reference dated so and so in the above said terms. The appeal or allow the impugned judgment of the High Court are set aside as the High Court could not have condoned the delay in filing of the appeal and then following the appeal up without noticing the respective accused respondent before the High Court. Now the High Court shall there and decided the appeal afresh after noticing the accused respondents before it in each of the appeals and consistently with the principle of law laid down here and above. Before we may part, we would like to make certain observation ex abundantly costelia. Firstly, we have dealt with the directions made by this court in Common Cause Case 1 and 2 and Rajdev Sharma 1 and 2 regarding trial of case. The direction made in those cases regarding enlargement of the accused person on bail are not the subject matter of the reference or these appeals, and we have conscientiously abstained from dealing with the legality, propriety, or otherwise of directions is regarding to bail. This is because different considerations arise before the criminal court while dealing with the termination of the trial or proceeding and while dealing with the right of accused to be enlarged on bail. Secondly, through we are dealing the direction made respectively by 2 and 3 judges bench of this court in the case under reference for reason which we have already stated. We should not even for a moment be considered as having made a departure from the law as to speedy trial and speedy conclusion of criminal proceeding of whatever nature and at whichever stage before any authority or the court. It is the constitutional obligations of the state to dispense speedy justice, more so in the field of criminal law and vacuity of fund of resources in no defense to denial of right of justice emanating from Article 21, 19, and 14 and the preamble of the Constitution as also from the directive principle of the state policy. It is high time that the Union of India and the various states realize their constitutional obligations and do some thinking concrete in the directions of the strengthening the justice delivered system. We need to remind all concerned of what was said by this court in Hossein Ara Khatun. The state cannot be permitted to deny the constitutional right of the speedy trial to the accused on the ground that the state has no adequate financial resource to incur the necessary expenditure needed for improving the administrative and judicial apparatus with the view of the ensuring the speedy trial. The state may have its financial constraints and its priorities of expenditure, but the law does not
We have
permit.
understood.
Yes,
We have understood. अब आप क्या बताना चाहते हैं?
yes, my lord. Sir, my submission is that, my lord, ki the annexure P1 issued by the Registrar of the Honorable High Court, he is not empowered under any law to issue a such type of direction to decide the case in time-bound period.
Right.
The legislature.
पहले ये बताइएगा,
जी.
what prejudice is going to be caused to you with this direction? आप petitioner हैं, you are representing an association.
Yes, my lord.
What prejudice is caused to you? This is the moot question. Because unless you show prejudice or injury to you, you will have no locus to file this petition. So what is the injury being caused to you by these directions?
My friend will argue this.
नहीं नहीं, अरे ऐसा नहीं होता है.
Because, my lord, this is the.
थोड़ा होता है, आप हवाई जहाज में छोड़ के चले जाएंगे, बोलेंगे कि पायलट दूसरा आएगा.
This is the public interest litigation, my lord.
हाँ.
The petitioner has not filed the personal injury, my lord. But this matter led to the large of people of the state as well as the advocates.
बताइए ना क्या prejudice हुआ है advocates को और people at large
Yes,
को.
my lord.
वही तो सुनना चाहते हैं हम.
The litigant and advocates are compelling to conclude the trial within time-bound period, my lord. And they are not able to produce the proper evidence before the
कहाँ है?
particular
बताइए.
case.
क्या research material है? Advocates are not able to produce proper evidence. आपकी क्या empirical study है, बताइएगा. आपने कोई सर्वे किया क्या जिसमें आपने हम आपको
Sir,
बताते हैं
this is the
कैसे किया
very-
जाता है, एम्पिरिकल स्टडी कैसे की जाती है, वो हम आपको समझा देते हैं। हमने की है, क्योंकि जब हम वकील थे हमने की है ऐसी स्टडीज। ठीक है, आप जाइए, आप मध्य प्रदेश में कितने वकील हैं? 1 लाख कुछ वकील हैं ना,
89,000।
89,000। चलिए अभी इस साल हो जाएंगे 1 लाख।
जी।
ठीक है, तो 89,000 वकीलों में से आप एक सैंपल साइज चुनिए, उनको क्वेश्चनर दीजिए, क्वेश्चनर बनाइए, फिर उसका एनालिसिस करिए, एक हाइपोथेसिस डेवलप करिए, उस हाइपोथेसिस पे उसको क्वेश्चनर को एनालाइज करिए, और फिर पाइए कि आपकी हाइपोथेसिस जो है उसका क्या रिजल्ट निकलता है, whether the hypothesis that prejudice is being caused by these circulars issued by the High Court fails or is found to be true, then you can file this petition. अभी तो प्रीमेच्योर है ये पिटीशन। आप हो सकता है बहुत अच्छा काम कर रहे हो, वी आर नॉट डिनाइंग दैट, नहीं, बट एक तरीका होता है, एक कोई भी जब किसी भी पॉलिसी इशू को चैलेंज किया जाता है तो उसके लिए सर्वे किया जाता है, रिसर्च की जाती है, वो रिसर्च हमें कहीं दिखाई नहीं दे रही। हम तो बहुत उम्मीद से बैठे थे इस केस को सुनने के लिए कि बहुत सारी रिसर्च होगी, व्हेन यू आर आर्ग्यूइंग दिस मैटर देयर विल बी लॉट ऑफ रिसर्च बिहाइंड इट।
एडवोकेट्स की लगभग एक सप्ताह से ज्यादा इसी मैटर को लेकर के स्ट्राइक भी हुई है सर।
अरे स्ट्राइक से नहीं, देखिए उस चीज पे मत जाइए, आप भी जानते हैं, आप बार में हैं, हम भी बार में रहे हैं, स्ट्राइक के कॉज और इफेक्ट अलग अलग होते हैं,
जी।
उनसे जो है ये चीजें नहीं जज की जाती। ठीक है, हमारे खिलाफ भी आप ही लोगों ने एक दिन हड़ताल की थी। ठीक है, हम कोर्ट छोड़ के भाग जाएं क्या? आप लोगों को पसंद नहीं आ रहा था कि हम थोड़ा सख्ती से पेश आ रहे थे, दैट इज समथिंग डिफरेंट। ठीक है, अगर आप इस पिटीशन में सक्सीड करना चाहते हैं तो जो हम आपको सजेस्ट कर रहे हैं, आप रिसर्च करिए, रिसर्च करने के बाद में याचिका लगाइए, बताइए, एक एम्पेरिकल स्टडी होना चाहिए सामने, सो दैट इवन दे आर पुट टू चैलेंज टू आंसर दैट।
सर माय सब्सटेंटिव
तो सब्सटेंटिव तो हमने तीनों
Ground
पॉइंट्स
that
नोट कर
will-
लिए कि लेजिस्लेचर के अलावा किसी को अधिकार नहीं है, लेजिस्लेचर ने टाइम लिमिट प्रिस्क्राइब नहीं की है, और आर्टिकल 21 का वायलेशन होता है, प्लस दिस जजमेंट एनेक्चर P3, ये तो हमने नोट कर लिया। हम आपको इसलिए इंटरवीन नहीं करना चाह रहे थे कि आपको लगता कि आपको सुना नहीं जा रहा। We have gone through this judgment. We are still of the opinion that there should be some empirical study. आपके पास में आप एक sizable chunk of वकीलों को represent करते हैं, एक एक बनाइए तो कुछ क्वेश्चनर बनाइए, क्वेश्चनर बनाकर उसको एडमिनिस्टर करिए, पूरा रिसर्च मेथोडोलॉजी का पार्ट है ये, क्वेश्चनर कैसे बनाया जाएगा, उसको कैसे एडमिनिस्टर किया जाएगा, कैसे हाइपोथेसिस डेवलप की जाएगी, फिर उस हाइपोथेसिस को कैसे एनालाइज किया जाएगा। बीच में नहीं सुनूंगा, बैठ जाइएगा भैया, आई विल नॉट परमिट एनीबॉडी एल्स एक्सेप्ट हिम, सॉरी।
ठीक है मैडम, इनके बाद
नहीं, इनके बाद नहीं, इन्हीं को जो कुछ कहना है इनके कान में कहिए, ये बताएंगे। आई विल नॉट परमिट चेंज ऑफ कॉन्सेप्ट,
ठीक
सॉरी।
है मैडम, इन्हीं को मैं
सम डिसिप्लिन इज टू बी मेंटेन्ड। ठीक है, ये जितनी देर बहस करना चाहे मैं इनको सुनूंगा, देयर इज नो हरी, लेकिन जो कुछ कहना है इनके मार्फत कहिए। चलिए, तो बताइए।
सीआरपीसी में सर जो प्रोविजन है
सीआरपीसी में दीजिएगा,
गवाहों
सीआरपीसी
का।
आपको सीआरपीसी दीजिए। अब बताइए सीआरपीसी में।
सीआरपीसी के सर किसी भी प्रोविजन में
हाँ
टाइम लिमिट नहीं है किसी ऑफेंस को ट्रायल करने का।
जी, नहीं नहीं, वो तो समझ गए हम, वो तो आपने सुप्रीम कोर्ट का जजमेंट भी पढ़ा, वो हमने समझ लिया। हम आपसे ये पूछ रहे हैं कि आपने ये कहा, दो बातें कही आपने, एक कि वकील साहब लोगों को फोर्स किया जा रहा है, वो एविडेंस नहीं प्रोड्यूस कर पाते, अपनी बहस नहीं कर पाते। इस संबंध में क्या एम्पेरिकल डेटा समझते हैं आप, तथ्यात्मक डेटा क्या है आपके पास में इस बात को सपोर्ट करने के लिए?
इसमें
भाई कल को अगर आप हमारे खिलाफ एक आरोप लेकर आते हैं हाइपोथेटिकली कि आई एम अ वेरी बैड जज, देन यू विल हैव टू collect judgments delivered by this court to point out that where I have failed to analyze the law, where I have failed to address the issues raised by the council, and I am biased. ठीक है, जब तक आप ये empirical study नहीं करेंगे, आप मेरे खिलाफ मतलब not me, about anybody. You can go on a strike, you can raise any slogan, but if you want to substantiate what you are saying, then you will have to do this study. मेरे सारे जजमेंट 2000 अप्रैल 2016 से अभी तक निकालने पड़ेंगे आपको, अध्ययन करना पड़ेगा और निकाल के यह बताना पड़ेगा तथ्यात्मक कि इन्होंने इतने हजार जजमेंट दिए, मैंने मोस्ट प्रॉब्ली 20,000 जजमेंट दिए, 20,000 जजमेंट आपको ऑर्डर्स स्टडी करने पड़ेंगे, उनको जो है बताना पड़ेगा कि मैं कहाँ कहाँ किस तरीके से गलत हूँ। इसी तरीके से आपको ये जो 90,000 वकील हैं, इनके बीच में एक सैंपल साइज होता है। आपने ग्रेजुएशन किया, पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन किया है?
पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन
किसमें?
LLM भी है
नहीं,
और
एलएलएम नहीं,
पॉलिटिकल साइंस।
पॉलिटिकल साइंस में। तो वहां तो रिसर्च मेथोडोलॉजी पढ़ी होगी ना
जी।
आपने, हैं? फिर मैं आपको क्या बताऊं, आप मुझसे बेहतर इक्विप्ड है, करिए ना, कुछ करके फिर आइए। दिस इशू विल रिमेन ओपन, you come prepared, you carry out a survey, you bring empirical data to support what you are saying, we will hear you. अभी हम कुछ भी कह देंगे, आपका केस प्रेजुडिस हो जाएगा, आपके पक्ष में कहेंगे, विपक्ष में कहेंगे, it will prejudice you. Come prepared, come with empirical data, लगाइए, आपको लिबर्टी देते हैं, आप you file a petition with empirical data, 1 महीने 2 महीने जितना समय चाहिए,
सर इसको
उससे क्या होगा, आपका हित संरक्षित रहेगा। We are not supposed to give you this advice, but since you are espousing a good cause,
तो इसमें सर आपको समय देने में डाटा पेश कर
नहीं, डाटा ऐसे नहीं होगा, पूरी पिटीशन रीड्राफ्ट होगी, पहले आप डेटा कलेक्ट कर लीजिए, करके लिबर्टी ले लीजिए टू फाइल फ्रेश, दिस विड्रॉल विल नॉट कम इन योर वे, विल ग्रांट यू लिबर्टी टू फाइल फ्रेश विद एम्पेरिकल डेटा, ठीक है? देखिएगा
सर एक निवेदन।
हाँ,
इसमें जो लॉ पॉइंट इन्वॉल्व है
वो साथ में रहेगा ना, वो ओपन रहेगा ना।
नहीं सर, उसको यदि आप डिसाइड कर दें इसमें।
नहीं, ऐसा आधा अधूरा नहीं करेंगे, फिर हम इसको पूरा डिसाइड कर देते
हाँ
हैं।
सर, पूरा डिसाइड
पूरा डिसाइड
कर
then
दें।
I'll not grant you any time. Yes, Mr.
I'm only for the state, Manoj.
हाँ।
My only point, Manoj, it's on behalf.
एक सेकंड रुक जाइए, और कुछ कहना है आप दोनों
इसमें
से
सर
पूछ
एक
लीजिए।
पिटीशन और है,
हाँ,
उसमें मिस्टर बनाए
सेम पॉइंट है, शाह
Same
साहब,
argument.
सेम आर्गुमेंट जी। हाँ,
Manoj, although it is the High Court, it's been issued, the impugned orders are by the Registrar General of the High Court, Manoj, Registrar of the High Court.
जी।
But on behalf of the state, Manoj, respond number 2, I'll only as an officer of this court, Manoj, I may submit
जी।
that there is a difference, Manoj, the judgment which my learned friend read out. What I could gather from that judgment also was that speedy trial, constitutional go.
It says that judgment only says that merely delay in trial will not terminate the criminal proceedings, setting letting the accused free.
Correct.
That is the ratio
That
of
is
the
the ratio.
judgment which has been read by my friend.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है?
And the argument part, Article 21, Manoj, I would say that would not come in over, Manoj, because delayed, Manoj, we are talking about those 25 oldest cases. So perhaps, Manoj, the pendency of those 25 oldest cases or pendency of those old cases may be looked upon as a violation of 21, but not that the fact that we are going to dispose or hear them out. That may not, Manoj. So maybe that's a submission.
Anything else?
Nothing, Manoj. Address.
Heard Shri. Rameshwar Singh Thakur, counsel for the petitioner. Shri Bernard Leonard, additional advocate general for state.
स्टेट पार्टी नहीं।
Result.
Oblige. Good.
सीरियल नंबर 30
सर देना, फाइल देना।
लास्ट फॉलो शीट में
एक मिनट रुकिएगा, दीक्षित साहब, एक मिनट रुकिए। Yes.
Last order sheet we see. Let's responding to file the minutes of the DPC. Just 9/19.
Last order sheet is dated
Order date is now 9,
8.
12, 14/8/2023.
Order sheet one. 14/8/23. Yes, क्या लिखा है उसमें? No filing inspector of practice to verify the creation of.
It will filed my friends.
For promotion to the post of scientist D to scientist E. Yes,
All right.
you are appearing for the employer.
Yes, sir.
DPC minutes are with you.
Yes, sir.
Yes. DPC
My lord,
proceedings है.
I prefer 2 weeks time for
2 weeks time to.
argument for.
अच्छा.
Your senior is not well, man.
Okay. लिखिएगा श्री अंशुल दीक्षित, learned counsel for the petition. Shri Pushpendra Yadav, learned deputy solicitor general for the Union of India. Next. Drawing attention of this court to order dated 14/8/2023. Shri Anshul Dikshit submits that employer is required to produce the minutes of the DPC proceedings starting from 2011. Next, Shri Yadav submits